Hey, yeah, everybody loves TI-89 calculators.
I prefer the TI-74.
I'd like to show you a cool trick on this calculator. Push the number 9. A 9 shows up, but it's backwards.
Sine of 89 is 0.9999.
You lied.
9.
It's clearly
9.
850496002. I don't even know what that number means.
What a liar. It's the most...
It's an earthquake.
Not another one.
My disheveled hair. Dishevel your hair, and we'll edit it in where we look like we're all beat up from the earthquake.
Okay.
Man, those happen all the time in Oklahoma.
I can't believe I kept my glasses on the whole time.
Yeah, mine are all the way
on your face.
On your face.
On my face.
I didn't even realize you were wearing my glasses.
You didn't?
No.
And I can see better. Funny how that works.
Hey. Funny how your face looks.
Funny how my eyes... Funny how my eyes have turned into ears. Actually.
This isn't funny.
Happy Valentine's Day! I don't know where I was going with that. Oh, dude, we should put all these inside Jeremy's guitar.
Princess Crown.
Jeremy is a princess.
This is how you play a G chord. Each day I'll be out this.
I'll actually look at the right side up. Actually. I wonder if Jeremy would be upset at this. Anatomy of a flower. Stem. Flower. Go together like a
flower.